Good morning. It's Wednesday, February the 10th, 7:30 a.m., and we're taking stock of the second storm that has moved in. Blowing winds, and you can see the bamboo trees have bent right over. Not sure if they're going to survive because many of them have just snapped in half. Yesterday the garbage trucks never made it, and that was the good weather. Now this I don't get. The government is shut down, my company's shut down, the schools are shut down, everything is shut down except the snow plows behind me. And where do they go for their beer and chips before they start a long day of plowing?